Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to show you how I made this cotton candy mini paper squishy, and just like the ones that I've made before in my collection. So yeah, I just want to show you how to make this purple one. So starting off with a purple felt tip pen, you'll just kind of want to draw out the rough shape, and to do this you'll want to draw 3 ovals on top of each other, kind of with a pointed one on top. You'll want to go back in and forth with a few different coloured purple pens, or whatever colour you're obviously using, but different shades of that colour. What I then did was I went in with my white Posca pen, which is like a paint pen, and I just kind of did loads of squiggles with that also to add to like the highlight of the cotton candy type effect. And I then went in with a brown felt tip marker and just kind of did the stick effect on the bottom. I then also went in with a black Sharpie pen and just did the face, and well, basically I just made the eyes and the mouth, and I then used my white Posca pen and just did the highlight on the eyes. I then stuck some tape down, and this is where I made a mistake because I didn't let the white dry, so it kind of smudged, so I had to redo the pen over the tape. But if you're making this, don't do that, don't stick the tape down too soon before the pen is dried. Once I'd corrected the eyes and taped up the whole thing, I then loosely cut this out, and then I just kind of stuck this down onto a white piece of paper again. So once stuck down, I actually then only went ahead and cut out the stick kind of part of it, and I did this so that I could kind of tape that up so that all the pieces of paper would then stay in kind of the same place after I cut it all out. So I stuck down the stick bit because I wanted that to be flat anyway, and then I just cut out the rest of the paper. I actually taped up one side, and to do this I just stuck the tape down. I made little cuts like here, and then what I did was folded each individual bit of tape around each curve. I do it this way so that my tape can kind of fold better and fold more neatly, as if like I didn't cut it, I'd be left with loads of corners. So once I had completely taped up one half of this, I then went ahead and actually filled it up with toy stuffing. Now you can fill up your squishies with whatever you want. You can fill it up with a bag, with bits of memory foam, with I don't know, anything else, but it's completely down to you as to what filling you want to choose. I just chose toy stuffing as I have a lot of it, and it's easier for me to film a video with that, but obviously you can use whatever you want, whatever you have hanging around. So once all your stuffing is inside, you'll then want to fully tape this up, and to do this I just did this in the same way as before, cutting little strips and then folding each individual strip over. Once this was done, my mini squishy was then complete. So I'm super happy with this little purple one. I feel like it matches my nails just perfectly. And yeah, I just wanted to make a purple one to go with the pink and blue one I had already made and showed you in previous videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're enjoying Paper Squishy Week. I can't believe we're almost at 6k. It's absolutely unbelievable. So thank you everyone who subscribed. I'm super grateful. So if you want to see another Paper Squishy video, just stick around for tomorrow, as I'll be posting one again. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!